What's up, guys? We got a 2017 Accord and we're gonna put fog light LED bulbs in this baby. Very simple. So this bulb size here, this customer, when a guy came with these gloves, so this is the H11 bulb size, so he does have LED bulbs inside here. So what you want to do is make sure you turn your wheel to one side, and then you're gonna go behind this cover here, and then you're gonna back probe this little guy, and you're gonna have a lot of access here. Check this out. Look at all the room to work with. So anyway, like I said, he has LED bulbs in there, so it's a little bit hard for me to disconnect everything and try to record at the same time. So I'll try to push this corner off the cover to the side. So originally you're gonna have this connector there. It does have positive and negative. So as you can see, the green wire over here is positive. So if you connect your LED bulbs the wrong way, they're most likely probably not gonna come on. So make sure you plug them in correct and try them on. If it doesn't work, switch it around. So this is one of the bulbs he had in there. We're gonna take this bulb. So the bulb, does it have positive or negative? It doesn't say positive or negative anywhere here. So we're gonna have to try it on, and if it doesn't work, you just flip the connector. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just show you guys how to do it. And so we're gonna take this bulb in first. Very simple and easy. To remove it is counterclockwise. To put it back in is clockwise. But you have to go back from the slot where you pulled out the bulb from, right here, and you twist it back on. Okay, so the connector, okay, we're gonna try to manage to get the connector in the direction that it's asking right now. But if it doesn't work, maybe you can flip it the other way around. I'm sure it's possible, but to connect wrong, let's see if this works. We're gonna leave it here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the same thing on the opposite side, and then we're gonna check out if it works or not. If it doesn't work, you just flip the connector. Okay, anyways, stay tuned. Let me finish out this side. Same thing. I'm gonna pop the cover open and change this bulb. Whatever you do, do not touch the screen part of the bulb with your gloves, with your hands. Okay, so just grab it from the back end, just like I did. Never touch the front. If any filament, any bulb, you don't want to touch the filament. It will shorten the life. Anyways, let's stay tuned. Okay, the opposite side, you got an intake behind it. So take off this little screw that's gonna be here. This is gonna be here, right here. Fill up head screwdriver. That's what you're gonna need. And after that, all you do is grab this and you yank on it, and it comes out, and you will have full access to everything right there. Okay, so that's how you're gonna do that. So let me get this in, and then I want to show you guys everything. So as you can see, there's an intake, the rest of the intake down here. So don't drive too low into water, because it's gonna suck water right here. So stay tuned for a moment. I had to switch on my gloves because when I opened that up, it gave me a big surprise right there. But I was gonna remove the whole bumper, but there it is. Should be able to do it from right here. So I did get the light working, so I just want to show you guys how to close it. To close it back, all you're gonna do is align everything and you just tap on it. Same thing over here, align everything and you tap on it, and it goes right in. Okay, and then all you need to do is put this screw in. To remove it, it's the opposite. Okay, you take out the screw and then you just grab this. I'm gonna show you guys again. You just yank on it all the way through. Okay, it comes out all the way through. So that's how that comes out. So I'm gonna show you guys once we're done. We're gonna put on the lights. Do test your lights while it's open. Okay, that way sometimes you gotta switch the connector, like I said, negative to positive, positive to negative. It could be opposite, so make sure it's positive to positive, negative to negative. Sometimes you gotta, LEDs, they're sensitive on that. You cannot confuse that. That connector, you can put a different way. Okay, anyways, stay tuned. Here we are, moment of truth. You do need to put the fog lights on. So the fog light switch is a little one right there in the between. So once you put that on, your fog lights should work. Make sure they both work. Okay, and if they don't, switch up your connector. Just unplug it, twist it around, and put it back in. Like I said, positive and negative could be mixed up. Anyways, thank you for watching my video.